Ito yung mga ingredients na kakailanganan natin para sa lulutuin natin for today, ang Tokwa at Baboy with black beans. Pork strip, bokchoy, ginger, garlic, tomato, onion, firm tofu, Chinese black beans, salt and pepper to taste. Step 1. Marinate your pork strip with the black beans 15 to 20 minutes before your cooking time. Step 2. Let's start frying the tofu. Stir fry. It doesn't need to be deep fry because I want the tofu still soft and not really chewy. And now, while we're waiting for the tofu, we could start prepping our hindi pa siya ready. Pick upin na natin tong tofu. Luto na siya. So, this is how I like it. Basta nag-brown lang siya ng light brown.
Love you, Jaira. Love you.
We'll just take off some of the oil. Pero dito na rin tayo magluluto nitong gulay sa pinaglutuan natin ng tokwa. So, we don't waste the cooking oil. So, itong tinatanggal kong cooking oil, pwede pa natin siyang gamitin pamprito ng isda. So, now we're step 3 natin is to saute the vegetables. Unahin natin tong ginger para lumasa yung flavor ng ginger sa pan natin. Bango. And then we put onions. Put the onions. Isa lang. Yap, you know. Tawag ni LJ sa tokwa is SpongeBob. Favorite niya yan. So, pagkaluto and it's not yet time for dinner, tinatago ko kasi papapakin niya yan. And then, we'll add the tomatoes. And the garlic. Yeah. Gisa lang natin ng mabuti. Let me cover it para mabugbog yung gulay. Okay, pag nagisa na ng gusto yung ating ginger, tomato, garlic, and onion, step 4 is we're gonna add the pork strip na minarinate natin with black beans. So, itong black beans, it's already salted. So, I forgot to mention, nung minarinate ko siya, I didn't put too much of the liquid na nasa can. Just a little bit, kasi nga maalat siya. It's salted. So, gisa lang natin yung baboy. Saute the pork. And let's cover it para maluto yung loob ng meat. So, habang namang hinihintay nating masute yung pork, let's cut the tokwa. I just cut it into 4 cuts. Parang bite size. 1 bite size. Yan. Now, let's go back dito sa ating pork. Baliktarin lang natin. Make sure all sides are cooked. And then let's just add a little water and let it simmer. Adjust the heat into between medium and low para lang to make sure na malambot yung ating pork. Cover it, let it simmer. Let's add just a pinch of salt and peppers, black peppers. And let's add the tofu para ma-absorb niya yung taste ng ginger and the black beans. Lagyan na natin tong tokwa. Looking good. Smells good. Let it simmer. Maybe like after 5 minutes, checkin natin yung lambot ng pork. Okay na siya. Mabilis naman yung lumambot ng pork na to. Especially it was cut into strip. Medyo kulang lang ng konting alat. So I'm gonna add a little bit of patis just for added flavor and konting alat pa. And then last thing we'll put is the bokchoy. Yan. Lagay lang natin siya sa ibabaw. Because I want it yung medium cook lang. Hindi malabsak. I still want it a little bit crunchy. So, let's close it para magtubig yung bokchoy. And let's wait few minutes. Yan. Luto na po. Sarap po yan. Try this recipe and I hope you guys will like it. Masarap po ito and healthy because of the tofu and the bokchoy. Thank you po for watching. I hope you liked it.